Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how easily you can set reminders on Google Calendar. I wonder why you want to set a reminder on Google Calendar. Maybe you have a special day upcoming, or you have an occasion, you have an appointment, or maybe you have a job interview. So you just want to mark it as a reminder so that when that day comes, the mobile just notifies you so you don't miss that opportunity. Or maybe you just want to take your medicine, so you're just setting a reminder so that mobile will notify you. So in this video I'll show you how easily you can do it. Also, I will try to leave written instruction in the description. You can check that as well. So Google Calendar is actually built in, installed in every Android or other mobiles. So this is the icon. You just have to tap on it and then it will open. And once you open it, here you will see all the dates and calendar months. So if you want to select a day on which you have something special, you just want to set a reminder, so just go on to that date and then just click on that date. So here I'm just selecting 14th of Jan, and after that, once I clicked on it, here I have an option which says plus. Once I tap on it, here we have third option which says reminder. So just click on reminder. After that, you have to mark this reminder as something, like if you have an interview, you can type interview. If you have an appointment, you can just type doctor's appointment, or maybe any other appointment. Or if you have something special, if you have to surprise someone, then you can also mark it by just tapping here. And after that, you have to set on which day and time you want to get a notification. So just tap here and then just select the date on which you want to get a reminder. After that, you have to select the time. So first you have to select the hour, on which hour you want to get a notification, and after that you have to set the minutes. You can also manage AM or PM, and then just simply click on OK. So if you just want to get reminders all the day, you just have to click on this option. Then the time will skip out, and then the mobile will keep notifying you on throughout the day. After that, if you don't want it to repeat again, you just click on does not repeat, so it will only notify you once in a day and will not keep irritating you by just again repeating it. So after you're done with all that, you just have to click on save, which is on the top right side of the screen. If you click on that, then the reminder will be saved, and when the time and date will arrive, it will notify you. And here you can see this is a reminder that we have just saved. If you click on that, it will open. Or for any other reason, if you don't want that reminder, you just have to tap on it, and then at the bottom you have to just click on mark as read, and then this reminder will be saved as mark as read and will not be able to notify you when the time arrives. So that's how you can easily set reminders on Google Calendar. This was the easiest way I know through which you can set reminders on Google Calendar. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the video.